Dear students, today we are going to prove some properties related to parallel lines, and we will solve some examples and problems related to exercise 6.2. At first, if two lines are parallel, if two lines are parallel, parallel to the same line, so that they are also parallel to each other. Also parallel to each other. हमें ये प्रूव करना है कि अगर टू लाइंस किसी वन लाइन के पैरेलल हैं तो हमें ये प्रूव करना है कि वो टू लाइंस भी आपस में पैरेलल होंगी. लेट this is line L and this is line N and the third line M. And L is parallel to M and N is parallel to M. Given that L is parallel to M and N is also parallel to M, then we have to prove that L is parallel to N. Construction. Draw a transversal T. Draw a transversal T. Since suppose this is angle 1, this is 2 and this is 3. Proof. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 corresponding and angle 3 equal to angle 2 also corresponding angle, which implies that angle 1 equal to angle 3 also corresponding angle. हम देखें केयरफुली, एंगल 1 एंगल 2 के इक्वल है क्योंकि एल इज पैरेलल टू एम गिवन, एल एम के पैरेलल है इसलिए एंगल 11 इक्वल टू एंगल 2 होगा। एंड एंगल 3 इक्वल टू एंगल 2 आल्सो एम इज पैरेलल टू एम, व्हिच इंप्लाइज दैट अब 3 1 2 के इक्वल है, 3 2 के इक्वल है, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि 1 3 के भी इक्वल होगा, व्हिच इंप्लाइज दैट एंगल 1 इक्वल टू एंगल 3 corresponding angle, and this was we have to prove, which implies that L is parallel to N. Prove. यही हम लोग को प्रूव करना था। चलते हैं नेक्स्ट। Example number 4. In the given figure, P Q RS X Y M, and this line is parallel to this line, means PQ is parallel to RS, and angle MXQ, angle MXQ means this angle 135 degree given, and angle MYR this angle 40 degree. Then you have to find angle XMY. Angle XMY is equal to what? XMY means this angle. You have to find this angle. It is given PQ is parallel to RS. Now draw a line segment through M parallel to PQ and RS, parallel to PQ and RS. Suppose AB. Okay. Look here carefully. PQ is parallel to AB. Therefore, angle AMX is equal to angle QXM is equal to 135 degree alternate angles, and angle R and angle RYM equal to angle BMY equal to 40 degree, also alternate angle. Therefore, suppose this is angle 1 and this is angle 2, then angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree, and angle 1 equal to AMX or XMA, AMX 135 degree. Therefore, angle 2 equal to 180 minus 135 degree is equal to 5 and 45. And here, now suppose this is angle 3, therefore angle XMY equal to angle 2 plus angle 3, means 45 plus 40 is equal to 85 degree.